Your computer is just like a super fun mega puzzle. Every part of the puzzle has a super duper job to do. We call these parts hardware components. Imagine some parts like the big boss of the computer, making all the awesome choices. This boss is called the Central Processing Unit, or CPU, just like the superhero of your computer. Then we have some other parts like the Random Access Memory, or RAM, who is like the computer's brain, storing all the things you're doing. We also have parts that make all your cartoons and games look so cool on your screen. These are the Graphics Processing Units, or GPUs. And last but not least, we have the hard drive. Think of it as the computer's personal bookshelf, keeping all your cool stuff safely tucked away. Ready to dive into the fantastic world of computer parts? Let's start this exciting adventure now. Did you know that your computer has a brain? It's true. This brain is called the Central Processing Unit, or CPU for short. Just like your brain, the CPU does all the thinking for the computer. It processes instructions, performs calculations, and manages data. Imagine the CPU as a chef in a bustling restaurant. The chef doesn't do all the cooking, but he makes all the important decisions. He reads the orders, decides what needs to be cooked, and tells the kitchen staff what to do. The CPU works in a similar way. It gets instructions, decides what needs to be done, and then tells the other parts of the computer how to do it. So, you see, the CPU is a bit like a busy chef, managing all the tasks that make your computer run smoothly. So, the CPU is the brain of the computer, making all the important decisions. But what about the computer's memory? Ever forget where you put your toys? Well, computers need to remember things too. Now, let's talk about RAM, or Random Access Memory. Imagine RAM as the computer's personal jotting pad, where it scribbles down all the important things it's currently working on. Think of RAM like a school locker. You know how students fill their lockers with books and materials they need for their classes right now? They don't keep every single book they've ever read in there, just the ones they're using at the moment. That's what RAM does for a computer. It stores the information that the computer needs right now, not everything it's ever learned. So, just like you would struggle to carry all your books without a locker, a computer would have a hard time processing tasks without RAM. It's an essential part of making computers run smoothly and efficiently. And that's how RAM helps the computer remember. But what about the computer's eyes? Did you ever wonder how your computer can show you movies or video games? It's all thanks to a nifty little component called the graphics card. Imagine your computer as a person. Just like you need your eyes to see the world around you, your computer needs its graphics card to create the images that you see on the screen. It's like a movie projector in a cinema, casting pictures onto the screen. But instead of a giant cinema screen, it's your computer or laptop screen. The graphics card takes the information from the computer and transforms it into an image that can be displayed on the screen. It's a pretty important job, don't you think? Without the graphics card, your computer wouldn't be able to show you anything at all. So next time you're watching a movie or playing a game on your computer, remember that it's the graphics card that's making it all possible. And that's how the graphics card gives the computer vision. Remember, every part of your computer has a special job, from the CPU brain to the RAM memory and the graphics card eyes.